can't believe that Polo blew his tyres, Dad.
He didn't blow it, he ripped them.
Yeah, it's blown it.
Oh God, no!
I was doing it in metal.
Oh yes, he's back on!
Hey, stay back a bit the news. These boys are getting loose, I think.
Oh, aye. It's like... No, that is a Wrangler.
No,
It says Jeep Wrangler on the side.
Hey, watch yourselves. Here we go. What's this? See it Cupra. What happened there? Did you hit something?
Aye. Nearly came this close.
BMW. Honda Civic Type S-Sport. Sport. This thing can go get the launch day. Is he going to go for it? No, he's letting him go. Without the Audi. This isn't the same Audi, is it? It can't be.
It's the same
Is
every
it?
time.
Is it?
It's got too much grip on the tires.
The boys in the BM will get a bit banter. Ah, yes, the boys in the BM will go for it. Rear wheel drive, yeah.
Pushing that. That's how he showed his blue engine.
Oh, okay. I didn't even go in there now.
Got the pushing
Son,
that.
that must be.
I haven't about our go to.
Son must have. There's a pinky. Cool chicks.
I've done that.
A little Richie.
No thanks.
Let's go walk across here then. Well, we all need to kind of stay off what we do. We're going to head soon anyway. Yes, we are. Thanks, Sierra again, man. I think how many times I've got that in the video, but
What?
I love a Sierra.
Let's camp in the car tonight.
I swear that thing's been in
Back
like
to the
every
boot.
single video.
What? Camping in the car tonight, okay, so I have bags in the boot.
Huh?
Camping in the car and I have bags in the boot.
Alright.
Right, I see I've got this video here. Right, watch your language and that, right? I know, but
Make sure. Watch it.
careful.
Is that the Polo again? No, it's not. I thought it was that.
That GTI's been up a few times. I'm sure it has got a lot of them that look the same right enough.
The other one got one for you.
Right, these boys going. BMW going in there. GTRs. He's parking up, pulling up to. No, they're going round. They're going round that. Going round this way.
I was gonna get a picture, but I never got a chance. Have you got a picture of the Nissan?
Maybe get across here, across the road, go through Jordan. We'll get in the middle of them.
We're over there, you know. After this cross.
Do you want to go down across that side?
Yeah.
Right, okay, let's go.
Oh,
Is that the Saab again still going for it?
that's front.
Is it?
Thing. Well, that is something. I
I
suppose
think
I've
it-
left.
I think it went through. What's this?
Nice.
Oh, the light. Ready now? Ready now?
The tires. Someone needs a spare. That BM is kind of.
Come straight back here, right? We'll probably come fast soon, like. We'll stay here, right? Don't go anywhere else, come straight back here, right? I think it was about to come round for it, I think.
Oh, you're the fish trying to give a loose spin, Dad.
Oh, no, he can't.
Doing donuts.
There it is. Oh, here he comes. Who's this?
Real spin.
Whoever it is, whoever
Oh,
it
it's
is,
Robert!
the stranger in Audi. Was it him that was going for it there, was it?
Yeah, it's in this.
Imagine the wheel truck, the food truck is armed on.
Real spin.
Go on, my man!